Hey guys, what would you even do without your computer? Computers have become our lifelines, the way we make our money, the way we entertain ourselves, and stay connected with one another. You know, they're just something you have to have, but they can be really expensive. And it feels like if you try to save money and buy a cheaper computer or hold on to your old one, they just get too slow to use, right? Well, actually, wrong. You actually don't have to buy a brand new computer really ever again. You can keep your old one working like you just bought it yesterday. So fortunately, the FixMeStick is also super easy to use. There's nothing you need to learn and get it working right away. All you do is take the little USB and you plug it in. All of the software you need is already on there, so it's super easy and ready to go. You just plug it in right there. And you can keep doing whatever you want to do on your laptop as well while it works. The FixMeStick will run on its own in the background and you'll be totally undisturbed. I kid you not, it's really that easy. The founder actually invented the FixMeStick with his mother in mind and made it as easy as possible for her. So we all know how that is helping parents super easy now. So what is the FixMeStick actually doing while you're doing your thing? Well, two things. First, it's removing any existing malware or viruses that are on your old computer. And these are the things that usually make it run so slow in the first place. Even if you're not seeing the blue screen of death, a slow computer is usually the result of some hidden malware. The FixMeStick will clear it right off. And then the second thing the FixMeStick does is then preventing any new viruses or malware from coming on. So with this tiny, affordable little USB, you have virus removal and prevention. So you never have to pick up the phone and call the IT guy again. But if you feel like talking to someone about your FixMeStick, you actually do get access to their expert tech team once you make the purchase. So they're always there to help. When FixMeStick is done repairing and preventing, you just pull it out, save it in a safe space. And the expert at FixMeStick recommend using it once a month for routine maintenance, but considering how easy it is, I'd say use it, as often as you remember.
Wasting tons of cash on new computers and laptops is something that you no longer have to worry about, because you can keep the computer that you have working like new. I mean, let's be honest, this computer here is probably older than me. But just after a few minutes of work, it'll be working faster than when it was fresh out of the box. Now, this is an old computer. Perhaps you have one just like this. Let's first look at just how slow this thing really is. See how long this takes? It's like watching paint dry. Who has the time or patience for a machine like this? But I'm going to restore this without any tech knowledge whatsoever. All I have to do is take the FixMeStick and plug it into the USB port. The preloaded software will get to work on your computer right away. You don't have to control anything. You can even keep doing whatever you want to do on your computer and the FixMeStick will just keep working in the background. While you're having a nice and stress-free time, FixMeStick is actively working to remove all malware, spyware, and viruses from your computer. These are the things that make it slow down in the first place. I mean, look how easy this is. It's really not a process at all. But now, for the real magic. See what I mean? With the FixMeStick, there would have been no reason to replace this basically new computer. It's now up and running as if I just bought it this morning. Absolutely no need to waste your money on replacing it. And it works on any computer or laptop that has a USB. Mac and PC users can both benefit here. The experts at FixMeStick recommend using it about once a month to keep everything running smoothly. So in just a few minutes, you can have an entire pile of old computers ready to go for whatever you need.
This is definitely a small little piece of tech hardware that saves me a ton of time and money. FixMeStick comes with everything that you need to do to be able to clean up your computer to make it fast and speedy without spending a ton of money on tech support or even buying a new computer. All you gotta do is hook this up once a month, follow the steps on the screen, and you're ready to rock and roll with your computer and not have to worry about viruses and anything to make it slow it down. All you gotta do is plug this into your computer and follow the steps. It cleans computers that's already infected. It works with your current security software, and it updates automatically, so you don't have to do anything but just plug it in. It's, again, just super simple. And it's waterproof and shockproof, so even if you drop this thing, spill some coffee onto it from your work desk, it's gonna work just fine. I'm always constantly trying to find things that are gonna make my life simple, quick, and easy. I'm a small business owner, so I can't spend a lot of time on small things like cleaning up my computer, making sure all that kind of stuff is working. So it's really nice to have something like this to where all I gotta do is plug it in once a month and it speeds up my computer just like I need to without having to go out and spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on tech support or even buying a new computer.